The Eskimo Quickfish 2 pop-up ice shelter is an easy and affordable option for keeping 1 or 2 ice anglers warm on the ice. Setup takes only 60 seconds thanks to the simple hub design originally introduced by Eskimo. Pull out each side hub in succession, then step into the shelter and push up the roof hub. When set up, the Quickfish 2 stands sturdy and rigid against the wind and covers 25 square feet of ice. All Eskimo shelters feature black interiors, making them great for sight fishing and keeping light out of your holes. The shelter can be secured to the ice with the included industry-leading Eskimo ice anchors. Tie-down ropes are also included for heavy wind days. On warmer days, the 4 windows can be removed for ventilation. The door is secured by durable YKK zippers. The Quickfish 2 features ice-tight fabric with a 59% higher thread count than comparable competitor shelters. This tighter weave helps repel wind and water and also reduces weight by 19%. The extra long skirt further eliminates drafts. All of these features combine to make ice fishing inside the Quickfish 2 comfortable. When you're ready to go, the shelter pops down in seconds and fits into a slim cinch bag that can be easily carried on your back. The Quickfish 2 only weighs 18 pounds, so transportation won't wear you out. As the originator of pop-up portable ice fishing shelters, you can trust Eskimo's quality and reliability. Fish with ease and comfort with the Quickfish 2 pop-up shelter today.
Parents, tired of looking for a comfortable sleeping solution for your kid's next sleepover? Introducing Kid-O-Bunk, the portable bunk bed for kids on the go. Invented by a dad, engineered by a son, the family-owned company Disco Bed, a proud supplier to the U.S. military and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide, is now offering families our patented kids version that's perfect for vacations, camping, family reunions, summer camps, or just about anywhere life may take you. Modular in design, the kid-friendly Kid-O-Bunk requires no tools or mattress and assembles in minutes. The compact, zippered carrying bag holds all parts and allows for easy transportation and quick storage. Kid-O-Bunk's handy accessories and unique design offers one solution with 3 very functional must-have options. In seconds, turn the bunk configuration into a bench, or even 2 single beds. Assembly is easy, even your kids can do it. Simply lock in disc to side rails, feed through the sleeved fabric, and secure to the end bed frame. To bunk, simply attach stack adapters and place one bed on the other. That's it! And best of all, Kid-O-Bunk quickly packs away, ready for your next adventure. So what are you waiting for? Get your very own Kid-O-Bunk today.
Climbing high is always worth it. In a beautiful outdoor, a man needs his time alone. But reaching up isn't always that easy. There are some unexpected challenges. The challenges that you have never even thought of. Every step of the climb
Hi, hon.
Hey, honey. What?
Give me a chicken teriyaki salad with bacon, chopped
What?
tomatoes, and Parmesan on top. Oh, and don't forget my usual sauce.
Sauce? What sauce? Mustard, maybe.
Every step of the climb is an important one. At last, standing on the top of the world as a man who overcame everything on the way. Literally everything. Tackle your outdoor challenges. R2 Gear Mark 1.